In this video, we are going to link our local Shopify theme files to a private GitHub repository and then connect that GitHub repo with our Shopify development store. This is a crucial step if you want to manage your code professionally and collaboratively. But before we start, let me clarify one important thing. This is not a mandatory step. Shopify gives you multiple ways to work with your theme code. If you are comfortable using the command line, you can simply run Shopify theme push command to upload your local changes to the development store at any time. Now let's open our theme file in the terminal, and here we can run git init command. Let's do that. Git init. Okay, so I should write git. This initialize an empty GitHub repo here. You can see we have a .git folder here, and the next thing that we can do is we can run git add dot. This git add dot command moves changes from the working directory to the staging area and getting them ready to be committed with git commit. Okay, now next command that we are going to use is git commit. Okay, let's do that. We can use git commit and we can use the message, let's say initial commit. Okay, let's press enter. Okay, so everything is set up. Now let's create a GitHub repo. Okay, let's go to new and let's create a GitHub repo here. Let's say BG coders shoes store. Okay, I'm going to make it private and click on this create repository button. Okay, so our file is created. I'm going to work with the main directory. I'm not going to create any branch. Okay, so now we can use this command, this git remote add origin. Let me copy this command and run in the terminal. Let me paste that here and press enter. So I think everything is set up. Now what we can do is let me use this command and paste that here. Instead of main, I'm going to use master branch. So it is working, I believe. So this will take some time to push everything online. So I think everything is up. So let's go to our GitHub repo and refresh the page. You will see our GitHub repo is up and running. Now let's connect this GitHub repo to our Shopify development store. So let's go to the dashboard. Here we can click on this add theme button and select connect from GitHub. Okay, let's click. Okay, I'm already connected. Sometime if you find any issue here, you can just log into your, let's say, store by doing this admin. And here when you log in and then perform these steps, you can troubleshoot if you find any issue here. Now I have my account set up here. And I can select my repository here. So this is what I have created, BG Coder Shoes Store. Select this and we have a master branch here, and we can click on this connect button to link to this master branch. Okay, so I think it's setting things up here. So now everything is set up. Now what we can do is we can change the name here. Let's say rename. This is optional step. You can, if you want, you can do that. Let's say BGC shoes store. Okay, let's save this. Now here you can see we have a view log here. You can get the different messages here. Whenever we change anything in the theme files, it automatically provides us the message here. You can see we have 172 succeeds. I mean, the files are uploaded. Now we can publish this theme. Let's do that. Okay, now we can click on preview button to have the preview of this. Now you can see everything is up and running. Okay, now let's try to change a few files. Okay, so we have this, and let me add a text here, lorem. Okay, before that we need to run Shopify theme dev command. So it is watching the changes, and let's run this URL, and let me copy this URL and run that here. Okay, so we have made the changes. Let's save this, and here you will directly see the message here. Okay, so we have that here, and let's check on the front end. We have this paragraph here. So now we can make a commit here. We can do that directly from our code editor. Let me add a message here. Let's say test commit, and I'm going to commit this. And okay, so now let's go to the back end of our development store. Let me refresh that here, and let me check the log here. Now you can see we haven't to use Shopify theme push command. It directly links our development store to this GitHub repo. So everything is working in sync. Now let's check the view log. You can see we have a message here, 1 succeed, 0 warning. Now let me explain quickly why this setup is so powerful and recommended. First, we have a version control. We can track every change made to our code. Next is our code is safely stored in the cloud, and we can easily collaborate with other developers or team. And if something breaks, we can revert to a previous commit quickly. From now on, if any changes we commit or push to the GitHub can be automatically reflected in our Shopify theme, depending upon whether we use GitHub integration or deploy manually. This setup gives us the power and flexibility of a modern development workflow while working with Shopify theme.